Hello little artist. Welcome back to Study Class channel. In today's video we learn something smart. Let's start. At first, we took a black marker. We start the drawing with flower petal. We draw a lotus flower. Step by step, we draw flower petals like that. Next we draw some small flower petal under the big petals. We draw some small petals on the top of the flower. Here, we draw the root. Lastly, we draw the big leaf of the flower. Pink color. The lotus is a beautiful flower that grows in water. It's the national flower of India. The lotus has large, round leaves that float on the water. The petals of the lotus flower are often light pink or white. The lotus is a symbol of purity, beauty, and knowledge. It grows in shallow water bodies, like ponds and lakes. The lotus flower is considered sacred. It is used in religious ceremonies and decorations. The lotus flower has a special place in temples. The lotus needs sunlight and damp soil to grow. The leaves of the lotus have a waxy coating. The stem of the lotus is thick. The center of the lotus is usually a glowing yellow. The lotus is also known as Kamal in Hindi. The lotus flower is often depicted in art and literature. It is a symbol of peace and enlightenment in many cultures. The lotus flower is edible and has medicinal uses. The lotus flower closes at night and opens again in the morning. The lotus is a resilient flower that can grow in muddy water. It represents the ability to rise above challenges and bloom beautifully. Green color. Green color. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye.